RC Nation. Quick update. The Redcat Landslide XTE. Done with this build. Got all my electronics installed. You see the big boy motor. No, I'm just joking. Just messing with you guys. Still working on it. Stay tuned. D-Rock RC Nation is back. Another update. Got the Landslide XTE. First test run. Testing out the gearing and the setup real quick. I'm on 3slipo today. Straight monsters, warning you guys. Said 3slipo, 8th scale. The monster truck. I put the OG Charger shell on it though. Something different. Didn't want to put that monster truck body on it like everybody else does. Alright, here we go, guys. Oh yeah. Little monster. These tires are ballooning big time. Definitely gonna have to strap them. Good save. See how this engine feels real quick. Make sure I'm not geared too high. Feels fairly warm. It's only about 90 degrees. I can tell that. Damn, it's hard to control. You need some TSM. Strap these tires. They just balloon. It's 3S, remember. Alright, that's enough. One more quick run. Call it a day, guys. I'm breaking up the first run. Animal, like I said, though. Shoes up. Oh. All right, definitely time to quit now. Thanks for watching, guys. Landslide Redcat XTE Pro 8th scale 3slipo 2650 kV motor, 120 amp ESC. I built another wild animal, guys.
Appreciate you watching. Share the video, subscribe, and like it.
First test run.
Testing the gear and the setup of the Redcat landslide was a success. You can see I got it up to 38 miles an hour on 3S. Tires kept ballooning in the front, so I couldn't get any more, or I would have gotten 45 out of it, I'm sure. It's running little 3,000 milliamp, 30C battery. You see the other battery tray still empty. I haven't run it on 4S yet. 120 amp ESC. Pass Hobby 3670 26 kV motor. See what the temps look like. About 80. So technically I can still gear up. Charger shell held up. Alright, stay tuned for more updates, guys. Keep you posted. Thanks for watching. Nation out.